Hey guys, this is another travel trailers for $13.99. This is the game changers on the travel trailers for $13.99 with a roof AC, not a side AC, roof AC, a fireplace loaded, only for $13.99. This is a brand new 2025 Avenir 17RB. RB is mean rear bath. This unit has a full walk-around queen bed, a big bathroom in the back, and the dinette in the center. Now, for $13.99, you're getting the nice middle siding. Look how big this panel. This is, they put it on high-end travel trailers, and this unit has it, the big side metal. Also, it has the pass-through storage with the magnet doors. It has the glass door, as you see. Power awning with LED. Camera prep. That's another advantage on that $13.99. Leopard expandable ladder prep. It has the cable hookup, city water hookup. It has the Sani flush, which is great, and the power cord hookup right there, 30 amp fresh water hookup. Another pass-through storage and another 2 stabilizer jack. So it has a 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, power awning, AC on the roof, not on the side. That's the same AC on the big travel trailers. Power awning with LED, front walk around bed. Come over here and see this beautiful 17RB. As you see, it has a nice shelf on the top, full walk around bed with the shelves with a place to sit stuff. The storage is half from inside, half from outside. So this is the storage from inside. You could access it both sides, from this side as well that side. This is the nice roof AC on the roof, not on the side. Other brands, they put it on the side. This is more efficient and more better. And then we have a nice kitchen, 2-burner stove with a nice prepping area, a nice sink, nice faucet, compartment storage, light and a fan on the hood. Beautiful fireplace. It also produces heat. And you have a microwave. And then there's another Freon refrigerator with the freezers inside. This is the freezer inside, and the fridge on a 12-volt. Pencil doors. And then you have a big shelf here with a plug. You could put whatever you like, coffee maker, toaster, because there's 110. Storage, nice solid dinette bench. As you see, very solid. And a turn to this bed. Plus, you have a storage underneath those 2 dinette bench. There's a place here for TV brackets. It's already prepped. TV antenna, TV bracket here, so you could put a TV. You could watch it from the bedroom or watch it from the kitchen and the dinette. And going here, we have a huge bathroom. Look how roomy. There's no issue with your knees. Some people have issues. Look how big the closets hanging all the way top with the vents, so you could get your head if there's not enough, and a showers. Only for $13.99 and no any hidden fees. Just $13.99 plus tax and license. Come grab this one before they disappear. Brand new 2025 Avenir 17RB. Walk around bed in the front, big bathroom in the back, loaded for $13.99. Where are you gonna find that? Only at Best RV. Come and grab it before it disappears.